this is Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel, and if you are new to my channel is mostly all about crochet. Well, I'd like to say thank you to all of my subscribers that have been sticking with me since day one, and thank you to all of my new subscribers. I hope you enjoy my channel here. I am drinking coffee this morning, French vanilla, and isn't this cup cute? This cup was given to me from a dear friend, Carrie. Thank you so much, Carrie. I truly appreciate it. Okay, let's go ahead and get started in today's video. I do have some fun things to show you guys that I have been working on over the weekend and stuff like that. And so, yeah, I'm excited. So, not only did, I guess I'll start with this one. Not only did I make one of these amigurumis, but I made three. Aren't they adorable? Look at that. This is the chubby reindeer. Chubby reindeer. He's just adorable. He's just, look how fat he is and those little short legs. Oh my gosh. Now, this is the kind of tail they gave him. I don't think I'm too happy with the tail, but you know, he's always going to be facing this way, so I'm not too concerned about it. But yeah, got all the little Christmas lights strung around his little antlers and stuff like that. It's just cute. Just adorable. Well, that was that one. And here is the gingerbread. I almost forgot what to call it. The gingerbread with the cupcake on his head. Yeah, it's just super cute. And then there's the back side. I've actually made these for some cute little kiddos at my church. I can't wait to give this to them. This is the Grinch. Now, I did make one of these last year, and I really liked the Grinch. But this year, I used a little bit of a bigger hook because I didn't really want these as ornaments. I wanted them more to just kind of sit around, play with possibly. The hook that I use, now they, like I said, they call for a lot smaller hook because they're supposed to be ornaments. I used a 2.25, and I think they used like a 1.75. So let me show you, or let me look, and I'll tell you the name of the website real quick. Okay, I'm back. I found it. This is where you can find it. It's Little Crochet Farm is the name of it. And you can have, she has Etsy and Ravelry, and so you can purchase the pattern there, or you can get the free pattern off of this website. Just go to, I guess, littlecrochetfarm.com. Yes, that's it, littlecrochetfarm.com. But she also has a YouTube tutorial on it. Now, she also has a penguin, which I would love to make the penguin, a soldier, and a Mr. and Mrs. Claus. So she's got quite a few, and if you want, you could just, you know, write down the pattern, or you can watch the tutorial. If you print it, there are quite a few little ads in between. So personally, since I keep up with my stuff in a yearly book, which I will show that to you next month. I've been showing it off and on throughout this year, but now that the year's about up, I'd like to show you my progress for the whole year. I basically put in that book everything that I crocheted. And I put where I found the pattern, the hook size, the yarn I used, things like that, so that next year, if I decide I want to make another Grinch, I'm not going to have to look up Crochet Grinch. I can just go to my book and it'll be right there. So what do I have to show you now? Oh yeah, the taxi blanket. Let's take a look at that. You guys know I'm making this for my grandson. The yarn was gifted to me from Hobie, so thank you so much, Hobie. I appreciate that very, 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 very much. And the yarn is bright, it's vivid, it's colorful. So let's take a look. The thing I'm going to work on today are the cars that's going across. So the cars are not on here yet. All right, guys, are you ready? Looky there. He is going to love it. The colors are so bright. It's just unreal. I'm so excited over this. This is going to be a big blanket, and he's not even 2 yet. This blanket probably should be more for the size a kid like 6 or something. So hopefully they can keep up with this and keep it in good shape for as he gets bigger. But he loves cars. Cars are his thing. Trucks, anything with wheels. We were at a wedding, and there was a lady sitting 2 tables from us that was in a wheelchair. And he kept saying, car, pointing to that lady in the wheelchair. It was a little embarrassing, but cute at the same time. We were like, no, it's not a car, trying to distract him, but he was adorable. But anyway, that's what I've gotten so far. So my cars are going to go right across here. And I'll show you the colors of the cars. But yes, I'm so happy with this. Now, when I do get done with this part, I'm going to basically start, or at least have this, and then I'm going to start this again and then end it with that. I believe that's what it is. So there's going to be like 3 sections of the black and white. Well, here, you can see in the pattern. This is a free pattern. So I just finished up to here. So I'm going to have another section of the checkered flag, and then another section of this fun, colorful stuff with cars going across, and then end it with the checkered again. So this is a free pattern. This is actually taxis that are going across here. And you guys know I'm not doing the taxis colors. So this is yarninspirations.com is where you can find this pattern. Now, the colors are right here. These are the colors. It takes 6 cars. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I thought it looked like one is missing. Oh, there it is, the red. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, it's still 5. Hold on. Okay, that's right. I'm going to have 2 blues. I'm going to have a blue on each end, and then it'll be like, so it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. That's going to be the colors of the cars going across this white strip right here. So he's going to love it. Absolutely love it. I can't wait to give this to him. Yeah. So the colors are bright. Nice and colorful for a child, and it's going to be easy for them to find in a closet. But here's the yarn. I'll leave the link below for the yarn as well for you guys. This is the yarn. It's Amigo. It's by Hobie. It's XL. It's a medium full weight yarn, 109 yards in here. And I have tons of colors. Here's some of this fluorescent. If you like this fluorescent, I guess I could tell you what this is. The color. Color is 34. The blue for one of the cars is 18. Yeah, I might as well go ahead and show this to you guys. Part of the stripe where it has the red and green, this is like, I used this in place of patty green, and the color on this is 33. I'm using this as like my yellow, and then let's see, the orange is 45, and then we just have black and white, and the black is 12, and the white is 1. So that's all your colors. I am using, it takes 3 different hook sizes. I'm using a 5.5 on the middle section, or I guess the colorful section. The black and white section is done with a 6.0, and it's just a 2-row granny squares, and then you just sew them all together. 4 rows of 18. Let's see, then, like I said, those are done with a 6.0 millimeter crochet hook. The middle or the bright color section is a 5.5. Oh, and then the wheels that's going on there are going to be done with an H hook of 5.0. So this pattern takes 3 hook sizes. Now they use Red Heart yarn for this, and like I said, Hobie sponsored the yarn for me, so I am using some of their yarn, which I love. This yarn is so soft. Guys, you would love it. It feels really good. So, oh, and then they have Black Friday going on. A lot of Black Friday sales going on. So, and they change. I don't know if it's daily or maybe every other day or something. They add more sales. So, yeah, be sure and check that out. Matter of fact, I'm going on their website today. Let's go ahead and do our 365 days of prayer. You're going to really like this one today. What better gift? The Spirit of the Lord will rest on him, the spirit of wisdom and understanding, the spirit of counsel and strength, the spirit of knowledge and the fear of the Lord. That's in Isaiah 11:2. Ever-present one, I can't begin to tell you how thankful I am that your spirit is in me. The constant presence that brings comfort when no one else even knows that my heart is grieved feels too good to be true. The wisdom I am searching for is found in the one who is already dwelling with me. Every tool I need to know the Lord and every act on God's part in my life is done through fellowship with the Spirit. You are the light inside of me. Any compassion I have or look for is found in you. A million thank yous for the way you are consistently with me would not even scratch the surface of my true debt of gratitude. I am so grateful I get to do life with you. You are the best gift I could not even imagine to ask for. What beauty is found in companionship with you? How does walking with the Spirit enrich your life? Wasn't that wonderful? I just love today's. It spoke to my heart, and I really hope that it speaks to yours as well. Yeah, I almost forgot. The cardigan I have on right here. This is my Easy Granny Stitch cardigan. So if you like this and you want to make you one, you can make the sleeves as long as you want. This happened to be one that I wore a lot in the summer. I would like to make me another one and make it long sleeve so that I can wear it this winter. But yeah, this is the Easy Granny Stitch, and I'm talking it is easy, and you can do it in all sizes. So I will leave the link below to the Etsy pattern if you'd like to purchase it for $1.99. Black Friday sale, I forgot, is going to happen this Friday over the weekend, and it's 50% off all my flash drives and all of my patterns. Flash drives are... I have 3 different flash drives that I offer. One is the 18-inch doll clothes only. One is the 18 and 14-inch doll clothes. And the other one is the 18 and 14-inch doll clothes, along with all of my wearable scarves, you know, that type of patterns, all on one flash drive. So I offer 3 flash drives. They are all on sale, 50% off for Black Friday, starting this Friday. But yeah, oh yeah, and I do have a tutorial, a free tutorial if you'd like to watch the video on how to make this. I'll take you step by step. So yeah, go check that out. I'll leave the links in the description box below. In fact, anything I've talked about that requires links, I will leave them in the description box. So be sure and click the little arrow down. Sometimes it may be a dot or something, and some may be an arrow depending on what device you're on. Yeah, just click that. And you can find me on Instagram, Facebook. I no longer have TikTok, but you can find me on those other 2 channels where I post, you know, a lot of my images. If you'd like to see the images of things that I'm working on or things that I have just finished creating. Well, tomorrow's video, I guess I will show you, hopefully I'll have the cars on there. I get to show that. There's a new blanket that I'm wanting to start that I found in a 2021 Annie's catalog. I'll show that to you guys. I have some Happy Mail, some diamond art painting Happy Mail that I would like to show you from New Craft Day. Thank you, New Craft Day, for that. I just received that. And what else? What else do I have? I had something else. Well, we'll just see in tomorrow's video, right? And don't forget, Wednesday's Whip Caddy Wednesday. So if you have a whip cart and you would like to show off what the things that you're working on, please show those. So I hope everyone has a great week preparing for Thanksgiving. Well, guys, that's all that I have. Just remember to live life and have fun. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.